Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I am going to teach you the remaining part of active and passive voice. My dear student, in the previous video I have told you the present indefinite tense and how we change into passive voice the sentences and today I am going to teach you the present continuous tense and changing of the sentences in passive voice. So see this present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, the work is going on. See this example. Ram is writing a letter. Ram is writing a letter. This is the simple sentence of present continuous tense. And now we will change this into negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. And after that we will change this into passive voice. See this, Ram is not writing a letter. This is negative. Is Ram writing a letter? Question mark. This is interrogative. And is Ram not writing a letter? This is interrogative negative. And if we talk about the WH words, then why is Ram writing a letter? Question mark. And why is Ram not writing a letter? Interrogative negative. Dear student, these are 6 sentences and these sentences are according to tense. Now we will change these sentences into passive voice. Say this. First of all, we see the object and we will change the object as a subject. A letter, and a letter is singular, so we use here is. A letter is plus we add being. A letter is being, B-E-I-N-G, being, and the third form of the verb write, written. The third form of the verb write is written. A letter is being written by, and we make the subject object by Ram. This is your sentence. A letter is being written by Ram. Negative. A letter is not being written by Ram. This is negative. Interrogative. Is a letter being written by Ram? Question. And the interrogative negative. Is a letter not being written by Ram? This is the interrogative negative. And if we change this according to the WH word, then we add here WH word Y and Y. Y is a letter being written by Ram, and Y is a letter not being written by Ram. This is the sentence based on the singular object. Now we will see the plural object. He is catching the thieves. He is catching the thieves. This is object, the thieves. The thieves, this is plural. Here we use plural word are. The thieves are being, and the third form of catch is caught. The thieves are being caught by, and the objective case of he is him, by him. This is your passive voice. The thieves are being caught by him. If we change this into negative, the thieves are not being caught by him. This is negative. Interrogative, we put are the thieves being caught caught by him. Interrogative mark. If we change this into interrogative negative, are the thief not being caught by him? Interrogative mark. If we change this with the WH word, then here we place are the thieves being caught by him? Here we put why. Why are the thieves being caught by him? And why are the thieves not being caught by him? Dear student, these are based on plural verb, and now we will see based on I am. See this. The next sentence is she is beating me. She is beating me. Now we will change this into passive voice. Me, subjective के साथ में is I, and with the I we use am. I am being, and the third form of beat, beaten. I am being beaten by, and the objective case of she is her. I am being beaten by her. This is your passive voice. And if we change this into negative, then it will be I am not being beaten by her. This is negative. And am I being beaten by her? Question. This is interrogative. And interrogative negative. Am I not being beaten by her? Interrogative. This is interrogative negative. If we talk about WH words, then why am I being beaten by her? And next, why am I not being beaten by her? Dear student, these are the sentences based on singular, plural and with I. In this tense, to change into passive voice, we use the word am only for I, and for singular we use is, and for plural we use are, and plus being, and the third form of the verb, and we add the subject by changing in object through by. So this is the sentence. She is beating me, and passive me. Subjective case I. I am being, and the third form of be is beaten. I am being beaten by, and the objective case of she is her. I am being beaten by her. This is your passive voice. So dear student, I think you all have understood this, and this is enough for today, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.